The market tour and cooking class was excellent and educational. The class was well structured and in a timely manner. Everything was explained in detail. Learned a lot about the Korean culture and its food. We even received our own recipe book at the end of class. Was not hungry after all. Portions were just right. Highly recommended to anyone. I absolutely loved this cooking class with Chef Kim-sun. The walking tour through the market was so informative, and I love learning some of the history behind the market as well as how it's used today. We also got to try some tea and silkworms from vendors, which was awesome. Highly recommend. Very impressed with OME Cooking Lab. Mingzaong, hope I got her name correct, in very patient and clear in her instructions. She made this a great experience for everyone. It's a wonderful experience. The cooking coach is nice and patient. Cooking programs are easy and well designed. You can learn how to cook step by step, and enjoy what you make. The market tour is great, too. Tour guide could speak in English and Chinese very well. You can learn a lot. The content of the event is very well designed. The people putting on the event were so nice. Friendly and encouraged the group to work together. The food was amazing. We made so much and the market tour was really interesting, and it was a nice surprise to get a few samples along the way. We had so much fun. Jae-hae and Kim were both very friendly and helpful. Jae-hae's teachings were very easy to follow. All the dishes were very easy to make, yet very delicious. We joined the Friday Bibimbap class, but we still got to learn other dishes like bulgogi, kimchi pancake and japchae. They helped us to take photos when we one of the best experiences ever. The hosts were so organized and well prepared, they were open for me to film and waited for me. The market tour was informative. Jae-hae was kind and funny. I remember the Korean toothbrush joke at the market. Also a big thank. Really good activity for family members or couples who want to know a bit more of Korean culture while cooking. The end product is a full stomach from eating all the food that you will cook, and an experience that is quite different and unique. Foods that were made did not appear to be too difficult, hence possible. I absolutely loved this cooking class with Chef Kim-sun. The meetup spot was easy to find through the directions provided. The walking tour through the market was so informative, and I loved learning some of the history behind the market as well as how it's used today. We also got to try some tea and silkworms from vendors, which was awesome. Definitely recommend this cooking. This is an itinerary with a high CP value. The teacher will take you to the largest drug market in Seoul first. It is an authentic market where Korean talents will visit. Few tourists, or probably only us. Tonic, the use of Korean medicine, as well as the introduction of common ingredients used by Koreans. If you want to experience the local shopping experience, this is very push. After arriving in the classroom, the teacher has prepared the ingredients for each person and placed them on the table in an orderly manner. Everyone has their own tools. Don't be afraid to experience the feeling of cooking. The teacher can speak Chinese and English. It is very kind and allows students to integrate into the curriculum with ease. Knowing that some ingredients are not available in Taiwan, the cooking class is very fun and interesting. We also had a market tour before the class. Definitely a must-try when you are in Seoul.